In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send test mail in Getresponse. Sending a test email is a simple but important step before you launch any campaign. It lets you see exactly what your subscribers will see, so you can catch mistakes, check your design, and make sure everything looks professional. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, log into your Getresponse account and head over to the main dashboard. At the top, you'll see a menu. Hover over or click on Tools, then choose Email Marketing. This is where all your newsletters and email campaigns live. From here, you can either start something new or work with something you've already created. If you want to build a new email, click on Create Newsletter. If you already have a draft you're working on, simply open that draft instead. Once you've selected your email, look for the option that says Design Message and click it. That will open the email editor, also known as the email builder, where you can see your content, layout, and design. After your email is open in the editor and you're happy with how it looks, it's time to trigger the test. At the top right corner of the editor, you'll see a button labeled Test and Preview. Click that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, select Send Test Message. Now you'll be asked where you want the test email to go. Type in the email address you want to use for testing. This should be an inbox you can access easily, and ideally, one you use regularly so you can see how the message appears in a real environment. You can also send multiple tests to different addresses later if you want to see how it looks in different email providers. Once the email address is entered, click Send Test Message. Getresponse will send a copy of your email to that address almost immediately. Next, go to your personal inbox and look for the test email. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and also check your promotions or spam folders just in case. Open the message and scroll through it carefully. Pay attention to your subject line, your preview text, and the overall layout on your screen. Click every link in the email to make sure they lead to the correct pages and are tracking properly. Look closely at all images to confirm they load correctly, are clear, and display at the right size. If anything looks off, go back into the Getresponse editor, make your changes, and send another test until everything looks exactly the way you want before sending it to your full list.